Hey, what's going on, fam? It is a beautiful day out here at the RV park. Um, Peggy made a suggestion. She said, "You know what? We should go bike riding." As soon as she said it, I remember something. These bikes are in horrible condition. They've been sitting on the back of this RV for like 3 months. They was on the back of the RV while the RV was in for service. They was on the back of the RV for a couple weeks before that. And we've already had it out for about a month after that. So it's been about 4 months really. And it's covered in rust, and I'm pretty sure the chains will pop if I decide to try to pedal it. But I am determined right now on this beautiful sunny day to get these bikes back in the working condition so Peggy and I can go bike riding. Let's see what I got to do. So here they are, fam. I am going to zoom in. Look at this handlebar. Completely rusted. We got rusty brakes and bars here. Look at that chain. Oh my goodness. And these bikes were new when we started RVing. All right, fam, so I'm going to start with mine. And let's see how this turns out. So how about that, fam? That wasn't so hard. Now I'm gonna go for a test ride. Then I'm gonna come back and work on Peggy's bike. Let's go for a ride around the RV park. Hey, hey.
Good morning, family.
Hey, what's up, fam? So it is the next morning, and it turned out that Peggy's bike needed a little bit more work than mine did.
Yes.
So we're finna go out there and get a couple things, and while we're out, we're gonna grab some other RV supplies. I'm just hopeful that the weather holds up, because it was beautiful yesterday. Hopefully we can get some good bike riding time today.
Yeah. So we've had rain showers for the last 3-4 days, off and on. Tuesday was the worst because I felt like it rained all day, either Monday or Tuesday. So we've been getting a lot of rain, but so as of today, it's just supposed to be cooler. You know, like the temperature is going to get in the low 20s. So we got to prepare for that. What was good about it is Donald was able to go over here to the propane station.
Oh, yeah.
So when you switch it out, it costs you $17. $18. But when you let them refill it, you can get that done for $12. So you know what we did.
Stuff like, I know that's $6. $6 should not change your budget or anything,
Every penny
but it put a
helps.
big smile on my face, especially with these gas prices and everything else. So it kind of offset.
Yeah.
It might have been cheaper before the gas prices went up. Who knows? But that's what I'm going to try to do from now on, is try to check on getting it refilled instead of doing the whole swap thing.
And it's good here because like this place has over 300 spots, but it's only 15 or 20 of us in here, so you could get your service right away. Now I'm sure in the summer when more people come, it's going to be like a longer wait and stuff like that. But while we're here, we're going to take advantage of it.
So that's what we're doing today, fam. Like I said, hopefully the weather holds up and we will just catch y'all a little bit later.
All right, fam.
All right.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's up, fam?
Welcome back to the channel. So Donald and I have just recently come back from the grocery store. And I keep hearing everybody talk about these pine berries. They're really not called pine berries. Berry de blanc is what it's called, right? Did I say that right, player?
Yes.
Okay, so this is what it is. So they look like just strawberries that didn't get ripe, right? So I washed a couple of them off, and I'm gonna force Donald to taste them because everybody's like, get to all these guys. All these has these pine. They taste like pineapple / strawberry, supposedly. And so I washed a couple of them off, really, really good. I'm scared to taste it, but it looks so good.
Usually she make me eat them first, so I can tell her whether it's good or not. But I was like, nope, I'll try it after you try it.
Okay, so. All right, guys, I'm going in. I'm going in, Donald.
There you go, babe.
It has the texture of a...
Is it tart?
Well, a little bit.
See, when I see like white strawberry, I think tart, like underripe.
I promise you. I'm not tricking you this time.
You're not tricking me this time? Because she's been known to trick me. Y'all know that, right?
This is really good. Now... it just tastes like a light flavored strawberry with a hint of pineapple, just a slight hint.
Yeah, it's like a strawberry, like a less sweet strawberry with some pineapple in it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'd rather have more sweet.
See that aftertaste you get from eating a pineapple? That's what you get. It
tastes better the more you eat.
Mm-hmm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get me a glass of wine.
There you go.
And cut me up a couple strawberries. Can't sit outside today because it's a rainy day in the RV park. So
what do you do when it's raining? You find something to do.
You just get you some wine. Get a good book. Thank you guys for all the book suggestions. I will take you up on a couple of them. I won't say which ones. But anyway, these are really good. I don't know if they'll last through the night.
But Berry de Blanc. I know Blanc means white in like French, or Italian. I can't remember which one it is. It's either French or Italian. But Blanc
they do
white.
say pine berries on it. If you could see it, they do say pine berry. I hope y'all could see that.
I'll get a zoom in for them.
Yeah, but it's pine berry. Pineapple / strawberry. These are really, really good.
They're really good. If you like firm and not sweet, because I'm a texture guy, and this one's got really good texture.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put mine in some Stella Rosa and call it a day. All right, fam. I just wanted to share this with you. Let me know if you've eaten them, what you think about them. All right,
fam.
All right.